gorgeous people. This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Subscription Box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you my March Luxury Divas. You guys know that I'm loving this box so far. Almost everything that they sent, I absolutely love and will definitely wear and or use. So without further ado, let's see what they put in this month's box. Okay, guys, so here's my box. It's kind of heavy. Got a little bit of weight to it. Let's see what we got in here, guys. Alrighty, dighty. When you open it up, it looks like this, and it has this sheet that has the cost of everything and what the total value is for your box. The total value for my box this month is $109. Here's what it looks like on the inside once I've opened it up. What the heck is this thing on top, right? Let's go ahead and take it out of the plastic. Ooh, feels soft. Woo-wee. Obviously, I'm guessing it's a scarf. Yeah, it's a scarf. I'm not a scarf girl, guys. Oh, this is very pretty. Uh-oh. Looks like it might have a snag or something. No, just a thread. No big deal. Okay, guys, it's really pretty. It is super, super soft. It is gorgeous. I mean, gorgeous. Look at that paisley print. Super pretty. Let's take a look here at what it cost here. Here it is. Green Baroque. I don't know. I'll put it right here, guys, because I probably didn't say that right. Print pashmina shawl scarf with fringe. Retail value of this really pretty scarf is $19. I probably won't keep it, though. I know somebody who would love to have it, so I probably will pass that on to somebody else. Okay, so we have a Luxury Divas chapstick, and guys, as I pull in on these close-ups, yes, my nails are horrendous because, like I told you guys a little while back, those of you who watched the video, that I am working on some major projects at my house, so I'm not even going to bother doing my nails for a while because these projects are super labor-intensive, and I want to make sure that I do them to the best of my ability, and I don't want fake nails getting in the way of making something look absolutely perfect, if that makes sense. Okay, so do we have a value on the chapstick? Let's take a quick look here. No, I guess that's just like a bonus thing because I don't see anything about chapstick in here. So, yeah, I guess they just kind of threw in a chapstick. Awesome. All right, so what do we have here? Yalente legwear. Okay, guys, I love... Oh, you guys getting that? Stupid glare. All right, these look like a very thick pair of tights. You guys see these? Super cute. I love this kind of stuff. I wear this kind of stuff all of the time. I don't have any of this color, so that's pretty awesome too. Let's take a look here. Khaki super high waist leggings with 5-inch waistband. Hello. I mean, that just screams Amber. They nailed that. Retail value of the leggings is $20. They feel really good, guys. I'm really excited about those because I definitely wear that kind of stuff in the wintertime, obviously, to keep warm. All right, looks like we have some mascara here. It says Waterproof Deluxe 5X Super Epic Lash. Here it is, guys. All right, I'm not going to open it because I have a boatload of mascaras opened right now that I need to get through, but we'll go ahead and take a look at what they say the value is. Italia Deluxe 5X Super Epic Lash Mascara with a jumbo brush. Oh, I said I wasn't going to open it. Are you guys dying right now? Because I'm dying. The brush would be inside the mascara. And I'm like looking for an extra brush. I don't know why. But this is it, guys. So it apparently has a nice big brush. Very cool. Almost makes you want to open it up and look at it, but I'm not going to. All right. So let's see here. Well, this is cute. Oh, it's supposed to be like that. I thought it was dirty, but it looks like it's like a marble necklace here. Really pretty, though. Look at that, guys. Super pretty marble-like necklace in this teal color. Liking that. That's really pretty. So it says turquoise acrylic chain mask neck holder. Mask holder necklace. I butchered that, didn't I? This is going great. $12 is the value. Okay, so this is supposed... Oh, I see. Okay, so it has these little lock thingamabobbers. So this will hold your mask. That's cool. Okay, honestly, I'll probably wear it as a necklace as opposed to a mask thingy, but that's cool. I'm down with that. Okay, and then we have some super pretty earrings. All right, all right, all right. Oh, these are really pretty, guys. Look at that. Love those. I'll definitely wear them. I think they're super pretty. So that's cool. I like the color too. All right, let's go ahead and get a value on the earrings there. Let's see here. Golden burgundy. Burgundy? That's not burgundy. Guys, that's not burgundy. Am I crazy? Burgundy's like a red, right? That's like a green. That's not burgundy, but we'll just roll with it. Okay, burgundy crystal rhinestone hook earrings, $18. $18 value on the earrings. Okay, and the last thing in here. Oh, this is cute. Okay, this is cute. I don't have anything like this. This is super cute. Looks like it's like a, what are those things called? I don't know. It's kind of almost old lady, but it's cute. I mean, I'll wear it. I picture like mom wear when I picture this kind of stuff. Yes, I'm a mom, but I'm just not your average mom. Poor Noah, right? Anyways, this is really cute though. I will definitely probably wear it. Let's take a look here. It says black and white open front cardigan sweater. That's what I was looking for. Cardigan. It's a cardigan sweater jacket, actually. Total retail value on that is $29. Again, guys, the total value of the entire box was $109. This is really cute though. I don't know if I'm going to do a whole, I don't know, I might do a try on with that. We'll have to see. If I do, I'll put it at the end. If I don't, then you guys know I decided not to. But overall, I think this was a really good box, guys. The only thing that I would definitely not use is the scarf. But I do know someone I think would love to have a scarf that looks like that because this is a gorgeous scarf. So I would probably most likely give it to them. All right, guys, that was my March Luxury Divas box. If anyone is interested in this box, it is $30 a month, and I will link everything in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! It's today's subscription box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you my March. Ugh, deer in headlights. March. Okay, try it again. You guys know that I'm loving this box. So far, they've sent me things that, well, not everything. Try it again.